Hello everyone, welcome to Stow's Great War Aerodrome. Ian here, in the first of a couple of videos we're going to do about the madness that is installing a new exhibition. We're really proud here at Stow about our exhibitions. This is the fourth one we've put in 4 years, which is truly amazing. You're going to meet a number of people over the length of this video. You're going to meet some of the people involved in designing the exhibition, the actual people who are installing it, some of the people that have done the research behind it. It's going to be great. And when you're finished, you'll get a quick sneak glimpse at some of the things that are going to be on show. Now, if you're watching this during the COVID lockdown, you obviously can't come and see us just yet. But keep an eye on the news, keep an eye on Facebook, keep an eye on social media, because as soon as we can open, you're allowed to come in. Of course, if you're watching this later on and the restrictions have been lifted, get in your car, get down to Stow and come and enjoy it. For now though, that's enough from me. Let's start introducing you to some of the members of the team who are involved in getting this fantastic exhibition together, Omer, the Great War.
My name's Steve Morley. I'm the Honorary Curator for Stow. As you can see, we're very busy at the moment getting the exhibitions ready for our reopening later this summer. The new exhibition that we've got is called Omer, the Great War, and we were lucky enough to be funded by the Essex Community Foundation. The exhibition itself explains the history of the Royal Flying Corps from 1914 right the way through the Great War to 1918 when they became the Royal Air Force. When they were in the Omer region in France, Omer being the main RAF depot for all the forces going to the Western Front. Please do come and see us when we reopen. The exhibition is well worth seeing. There's a lot of stuff here that has never been on display in the UK before. Hopefully we'll see you later in the summer. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name's Ian Drake and I'm the Creative Director of ID Design. I've been working for over 27 years in the museum field, and we provide everything from concepts right through to the finished article. Specialist mounts, that sort of thing, to complete installations. I've been working with Stow's Great War Aerodrome now for a number of years, right from when it started, when we put the first museum in, right through to this latest exhibition, which is the Omer exhibition. It's a fantastic place to work. It really evokes the time and the period, and the people here are just fantastic. They've got a great volunteer team who are superb, and really a lot of the time they do a lot of the hard work. It's been a sort of slow process where we've all learnt, I think, along the way. We've come to provide a really, really fantastic opportunity for people here to get involved in something which is unique, really. And I really love coming back every time here. And hopefully you will too when you come and visit Stow.